This is a brief tutorial about how to code your Sphero robot. So you see here on the iPad, I've got my code, and I've got a roll block, and then a delay block, and then a roll block, and then a delay block. And that pattern continues for 9 different rolls. So that for each of the 9 turns, I have a roll block and then a 1-second delay. So I'm going to start my program. I've just coded 3 of the turns. And you can see behind me in a second the wagon being pulled by the Sphero robot. You do want to make sure to code it with the wagon attached to the Sphero robot. So I'm going to push start. And you'll see that so far the program looks pretty good. There's a little bit of tweaking I'll have to do. So you'll continue to code just as I showed you with the roll blocks and then the delay blocks, and I can help you along the way. That's it.